Hey guys, and welcome back. Welcome back. This is my first video in 2019, honey. My first of many. And Happy New Year to each and every one of you. And I hope you guys have a blessed and successful year. And that many opportunities, many doors may open up for you. And you may get all your heart desires, and I pray that God continues to bless and guide you. So, and if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that down below. Subscribe, like, and comment. So yeah, let's get into this. So today I'll be reviewing these 3 products I got from Lulu's Holistic. They are a skincare brand. The products are all natural and they make it by hand. Just to let you know, we're going all natural this year, honey, and beyond. Flawless skin, all 2019. And yeah. So let me tell you something. Usually when I buy products, right, for my skin or my face or whatsoever, it's after a week or two I find I see no results, it's going in the trash. Okay, when I first bought it, my first bar is almost finished and I've seen results. Okay, I don't normally finish no product that I buy, so I was like, I have to, I have to restock. So this time I got a bar, turmeric soap. I got the Yearrrr face cream and the walnut face polish. Usually I will cut this in half, use the first half, and when the first half is finished I'll use the second half. It makes no sense, just don't waste it. Cut it in half so it will last longer. I cannot wait to try this. This is the Yearrrr face cream. It is thick though. And they have a nice smell to it. I'm just disappointed in the size, but that's fine, honey. That's fine. Once it works, ain't no problem. Ain't no problem. Ain't no problem. As long as it works. This is the size. And they say apply to face daily. It's a rejuvenation cream. Yearrrr face cream with carrot seed. I just feel it in my heart that my face is gonna be so flawless by summer. This is the walnut face polish with rose water, apricot oil, and carrot seed oil. To use, you have to gently massage in circular motion on moist, clean skin. Okay, you have to rinse with water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So yeah, I smelled this yesterday. It was so, God, it smells so nice. So this is it, and so I'm going to use it tonight. Already, the other soap I had is like this. I was chasing it because I was waiting on this. So I'm gonna throw it in the trash. I'm gonna start using this tonight. And I will get back to you after a month, like next month. I'll do an updated video to let you guys know whether or not all these products work. Also, I'm a brand ambassador for Lulu's, so if you guys decide to make a purchase, please use my discount code Leondra, Leondra, for 15% off. I'll link it in the description box below. I'll link the code and the site. Okay, you can also check out their Instagram at Lulu's Holistic Skincare. and yeah, to see the reviews. So yeah, they have a store in New York. It's located in the Bronx. I'll also put that address in the description, and they also have a store in Florida. So I just wish they had a store in Brooklyn, you know, because I live in Brooklyn and I far to go to the Bronx. But I'll, you know, make my purchase online. And I'm not telling you to get this. I'm not telling you to work because I'm a brand ambassador. Hello, honey. I bought these with my own coins. Okay, these were not free. This video is not sponsored. I bought these with my own coins. And if you have eczema, you're trying to get rid of dark spots or discoloration. You're trying to get rid of. You have dark armpits. You have razor bumps, whatever it is. They have a menu bar guiding you on what products to get for whatever problem area. So yeah, you can check that out and check them out. Don't forget to use my discount code. If you use their products and it works for you, let me know. I forgot to mention the turmeric soap. I got it for $6.50. If you want to, you can get it for $10.50. The walnut face polish is $14.50, and the Cheryl's face cream with carrot seed oil is $14.50. The total was $9.03, I think, and I used my 15%, so it came up to like $35.50. You see, you get dollars off when you use my code. What are you waiting for? Go make your order. Honey, this ain't no joke. We're gonna be growing all 2019. We're growing physically, emotionally, financially, however you wanna grow. Hello to Lulu. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video. And I love you guys. And in full locks, feel like a goddess. I didn't even have to put on makeup to do this video. I have to show you guys. This is all Lulu. Lulu snippets. Anyways, enjoy your day and goodbye. And I love you guys.